Hey everyone, Dustin here at Ford. We got it in 2026 F-150, black on black, sport appearance. That truck that everyone loves and turns heads. Blacked out grille, blacked out rims, blacked out mirror caps, blacked out running boards, blacked out back rims, blacked out top piece, blacked out everything. The back, blacked out Ford badging, exhaust, blacked out. The box, blacked out. Everything blacked out. Black on black on black on black. Let's go inside and check it out. So back seats, there's a cool kind of compartment under here that you have for some extra storage. Then you got your flat space back here. Seats go down. 502A package has the rear heated seats. A little bit extra plug-ins in the back. USBs, 120 plug. Lots of storage. Great sunroof, moonroof, whatever you want to call it as well. And then you got your center console hip armrest. Front, lots more to see. We'll check out up there. Front seat, we have some cool features. So you have your mobile office package for your flat storage there. Then you got your wireless charging pad, heated seats, heated steering wheel, cooled seats, navigation, CarPlay is wireless, all that good stuff. Four-wheel drive, you got your 4 auto as well, acts like an all-wheel drive system. You got lane centering and adaptive cruise as far as your technology for long drives and stuff. This one does have the B&O Unleashed sound system. So you have some extra speakers in the headrests, different speakers there, a little bit more oomph in the bass. And then we have 3 memory seats as well. Heated steering wheel, not sure if I mentioned that, so I'm going to say it again because I love it. If I didn't. And then, yeah, this one's got the black appearance package. So black touches everywhere, kind of that black dash, black seats, all the good stuff. A little extra storage there, why not show that? Beauty. In the market for an F-150, come see us. Also, we're really looking for some trades, so if you got an F-150 and not sure if it's the right time, just come down and see us anyway. We'll be really aggressive on that trade, make you an offer, get you into this nice black F-150. Give us a call, 306-453-4444.